In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and utilize progress invoicing in QuickBooks. This feature is incredibly helpful for businesses that bill their clients at different stages of a project. It allows you to get paid as you go, and today, I'll guide you through enabling this feature and creating an invoice using it. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks by entering the address in the search bar or clicking on your bookmark if you already have it saved. Once QuickBooks loads up and you've logged in, you'll land on the home page, which is often your central hub for managing financial transactions. Now, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the settings icon. It often looks like a little gear. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to choose Account and Settings. This area is where you can manage all your QuickBooks configurations, from general details to more specific financial settings. In the Settings panel, look to the left-hand side and find the Sales option. Clicking on this will present you with all the sales-related settings that you can adjust, which include invoices, sales forms, and, most importantly, the progress invoicing that we're going to focus on today. Once in the Sales Settings section, you'll see an option labeled Progress Invoicing. Click on this to proceed. You're almost there, just one more step before enabling this feature. There will be an option that says Enable, indicating that progress invoicing is currently off. Simply click on Enable to activate it. With progress invoicing now enabled, you're ready to create a new invoice that utilizes this powerful feature. Head back to the home page by clicking on the QuickBooks logo or Home button. Then locate the New button, which is generally found in the upper area of your screen. Clicking here will open a new menu where various transaction types can be started. From this list, select Invoice. After selecting Invoice, fill in the necessary details such as customer name, billing address, and the invoicing schedule. This is where progress invoicing comes into play. Since you've activated it, you'll now have the option to bill a portion of the total contract amount. This could be a percentage or a specific amount based on the work completed to date. Input the desired amount and description of the work completed for clarity. And there you have it. Your invoice with progress billing enabled and ready to be sent to the client. This process helps streamline billing and ensures you maintain a positive cash flow throughout your project's lifecycle. I hope you found this guide helpful. By following these steps, you can easily manage your billing schedules and financial records efficiently in QuickBooks. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below.